For 50 years, Regent College has been offering a summer school unlike any other. Every summer, students travel from around the world to come to Vancouver for a week or two to study about scripture, theology, and what it means to be the people of God. This year, Auntie Wright, Christine Pohl, Andy Crouch, and John Swinton will be joining a lineup of over 40 great teachers. They'll be covering Bible and theology, alongside hot topics like technology, mental health, community, and global Christianity. Our travel courses include trips to Kenya, Italy, and Germany, along with our popular boat course around the Gulf Islands. Our summer programs give lay people, pastors, and academics the opportunity to study alongside each other and learn from incredible faculty. We don't just offer great courses. Every week, we welcome students to chapel and prayer, shared meals, free evening lectures, and lunchtime discussions. Everything you need to renew your mind and refresh your spirit.
And it's there to furnish our imaginations so that we know how to endure, so that you will not grow weary and lose heart.
If you're looking to go deeper in your faith, or if you just want to spend a week taking great courses with like-minded people, then Regent is the place for you. You can check out our website at rgnt.net/summer to find out more. We would love to have you at Regent this summer.